Welcome to our new home.
We have owned before. It was already built old house.
The first one, we're excited about just buying anything, but building is a different ballgame altogether. We wanted it to be either as good as what we have or better. Something that you can actually, if you open the doors, you still can sit out there, talk to people from here. The floors, we've always loved, it looks perfect, and we ended up adding a multi-purpose room as well. If we need our own time, as you can see the kids room, we can actually lock ourselves in there and just have our own time,
What I love is the understanding and accommodation. Bring your idea, they look at it and they tell you, oh, it's not possible because of this, it's possible because of this, and that gives you an informed decision because you have got information, you know what you are working with, you know what works, you know what doesn't work. That's the best part. Communication, spot on.